Good afternoon and thank you for joining me here today. As the Cabinet Member for Finance, Performance and Social Justice, I'm here to discuss something which is really important and which affects each and every one of us, and that's the potential changes to the council tax. You might be aware that the Welsh Government has recently announced a proposed Phase 2 consultation, and it's crucial that we all have our say. Before we get into the detail, let me just provide a brief overview of what the Welsh Government is proposing. The aim of its consultation is to ensure that the council tax system remains fair, transparent and reflective of the needs of our current diverse communities, which essentially means that the homes are being revalued for the first time in 20 years and new property bands could be created in an attempt to make council tax fairer. We know council tax here in Neath Talbot has been an ongoing issue. This is really down to the local government reorganisation back in 1996, where our council received a disproportionately low share of Welsh Government funding compared to our neighbouring authorities. This has remained an ongoing issue which our councillors have lobbied the Welsh Government to address for a very long time. So your input matters. You can influence Welsh Government council tax decisions and help to ensure that the burden is distributed fairly for the future. This means your perspective is important and I encourage each and every one of you to take part. Participating in the consultation, which closes on 6th of February next year, is simple, and you'll find a link to it in this post. So please let's make our voices heard. This is our community, and together we can ensure that any changes to our council tax system reflect the situation of today and not 20 years ago. Thank you.